against her estranged husband and his girlfriend. Surveillance from the night Jennifer disappeared.
Okay, that wraps up the major assembly of the cockpit and the fuselage. So I got everything together. The next step I have to do is take care of the seams. The intakes need to be cleaned up. They didn't go on very well. Got a few, just this join line in the fuselage needs to be cleaned up. You can see right here, get you closer, you know, where the tail goes on. There's some gaps there. Putty will take care of that. And over here, this intake as well. I just need to sand all this down, smooth it out. Yeah, so take a look at the cockpit. You can see down in there. I made some seat belts because it's really bare. There's not much to the cockpit. Gives you 2 consoles for each crew member, and what I did there is I just took some Sharpie pens, fine point, and picked out some dials. It's pretty small, and you can see the consoles. Okay, same thing there. I just I use the clear paints to paint the TV and radar screens, and picked out some dials with really fine tip Sharpie point markers. Okay, let me show you one other thing that's a problem with this kit. And if I would have listened to Martin, the International British Modeler, because he built the 48th scale Italeri Tornado, and it has the same problem, and it's this part right here. It calls for you to hot melt the little pins for the hard points here, and the idea is that it would when you move the wings, either open or closed, you could rotate those as a real aircraft does. The problem is these little pins are extremely flimsy, and he had the problem on the 148th, and I can't imagine, you know, when you look at the 172nd scale, you can really see that's going to be an issue. Now let me show you, because 2 have already broken off. I mean, of course I don't throw my models or play with them, just in the normal course of handling. So I got one broke off here, and the other one broke off there, and I'm basically going to, see, they rotate. I'm going to take these off. When I display this model, I'm going to probably have it the wings partially open, because no one's going to play with it or anything like that. So I will just position them where they're, you know, obviously if you got your wings in, you don't want your missiles pointed at your aircraft. So I'll probably just position them out. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pop those off, keep them off until after I get done priming. Well, actually, I might just put them on, because again, everything underneath is going to be, the whole model is going to be basically the sand color, with the exception of the wheel wells and stuff. But even the hard points and the drop tanks, everything's going to be the sand color. So I'll probably just put them back on before I prime, and prime them all on there when they're on there. So anyway, guys, I appreciate it. That's where I'm at, and it's not looking, you know, too bad. Is it a great kit? No. Is it a bad kit? No. It's a pretty simple construction. Not a lot of cockpit detail, but I'm having fun with it, and it's going to look pretty cool when I'm done. So, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. I appreciate you tuning in, and you know, welcome you if you're just tuning into my channel. I noticed I recently just passed the 500 mark on YouTube, which, you know, that's pretty cool. So I'm well on my way to being a YouTube star. Seriously. No, it's a lot of fun, and I appreciate you guys watching, and it's a great community. And if you'd like to see more of my vids, check them out, and, you know, like and subscribe if you will. I appreciate it, guys. We'll see you on the next one, which I should have everything ready to go for primer and paint. All right, take care.